So over here, you can see that I have this site right here and I am in my home page. So let's say what I want to actually do is I want to create a copy of this page so I can just make a few changes and have another version of the same website. So to do that, you can simply duplicate the page. So here you can see that I have the page. I can go to more option and then you can see clone is an option right here. Click on it and it says you can choose to include store items and blog item as well. So I want an exact copy, so I'm going to take this and click on confirm. So once you go ahead and do that, an exact copy of this particular site will be created. So now as I do that right here, you can see that the page refreshes out and then you can see the copy right here. I can make more copies of this as well if I want to. But anyways, let me just go ahead and click on edit right here. Then now you can see that this is the copy right here. If I were to go to settings right here, this is all I have. As you can see right here, everything. If I were to go to store, all the products are copied right here. So you can go ahead and make changes to this and publish this as a separate version of the site easily in Strikingly. So that is basically how you can go ahead and clone out a site inside of Strikingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.